an evening with nephrology.
Atithi Devo Bhav. I am honored to invite the esteemed chief guest of this evening, Professor Dr. A.C. Mahakur, sir, ex-head of Department of Nephrology on dais. Sir, please. I request Dr. Chinmay to please accompany, sir. Now it's turn to call on dais the guest of honor of today's evening, Dean and Principal Professor Dr. Dateshwar Hota, sir. We are lucky to have you on dais, sir. Sir, please. I request Dr. Rohit to please accompany. I would like to invite on stage our professor and head of department, Professor Dr. S.P. Raut, sir. Sir, please.
Let us start this.
Okay. Sir, okay.
Ask for bouquet.
I request Dr. Lalit to give bouquet to dignitaries on dais as a token of appreciation. Let us start this beautiful evening by offering our prayers to Lord Krishna.
तुम्हें करुणार सागर, तुम्हें अच्युत केशव पुणी केबे माधव, तुम परम स्पर्श टीकक पाई तुम चरण कमल रे भक्ति अर्घ्य नहीं आसुचंती डॉक्टर मनस्विनी प्रारंभिक वंदना सहित. शी इज वाइफ ऑफ डॉक्टर आलोक आवर रेसिडेंट.
I hope the shower of blessings must have touched your souls. People see dreams, but there are few people who create dreams and cherish them. And yes, he is none other than our respected Dean and Principal, Professor Dr. Dateshwar Hota, sir. Sir, you are a visionary par excellence. We are lucky to have you today on dais, sir, as a guest of honor. We are excited and delighted to listen to your welcome words to begin our journey of this evening. Sir, please.
Good evening to all. Professor Mahakul, revered sir, Professor S.B. Rao, Professor Jishidas, our teacher of our time, Professor Palit, again teacher of our time, senior faculties, my colleagues, friends, ladies and gentlemen. It is indeed a privilege for me today. I was never sitting on the dais for the last 25 days. As Providence would have it, the guest of honor was indisposed today in the evening. I was told at about 5:10 that kindly manage, I won't be able to come because my wife has become COVID positive. So I was trying to persuade 2 or 3 senior professors, but at such late notice, they were not prepared to come. Then I thought, let me sit today on the dais. It's a privilege again. As I say, I am sitting on the sister department's presentation. Uronephrology, they are part and parcel of each other. We have been working in tandem, in collaboration, in union, and we have been working for ages. Well, I first of all extend a very warm welcome to your own institution. We have remembered you on this occasion because your contribution during your time and even after has been immense. What SCB is today, because of the contribution, dedication and devotion of all the retired faculties, so it occurred to us that why not to have a 75 for 75 program? Every stakeholder who has contributed to the growth and development of SCB, so they can come, feel at home back, and give us an opportunity to felicitate to our own teachers who have made us what we are today. Well, over the last 2-3 centuries, if you look back to the history of SCB, it was Odisha Medical College. Prior to that, it was Odisha Medical School, and prior to that, it was a Pilgrims Hospital. Prior to 1875, this was the Pilgrims Hospital. Pilgrims endured to Puri and back when they were falling sick. This was the center they were getting the healing touch. In 1875, it became a school. 1944, it became Odisha Medical College. 1948, it became SCB Medical College. Every day I come here, sitting on the front row, I am called to welcome you all. Every day I try to inform something new about this SCB Medical College. We have been collecting from the archives of Samaj, because Samaj is 102 years old, SCB is 77 years old. If you take the Odisha Medical College and prior to that Odisha Medical School, some days back I had read out the name of the pass out of the last batch of Odisha Medical School. Today I will give some information about the obstetric and gynec department. Sachi, I think you should not disturb during the meeting. Sachi, keep yourself quiet. Don't disturb during the meeting. Well, today I would like to divulge one interesting information. In 1957, on 27th 9, the OG Ward Foundation was given. Foundation stone was laid by Srimati Basanta Manjari Devi, Minister Health, Odisha. So the gynec department started, and the name was Foundation Stone of Prasuti Bhavan. This is the foundation stone. The picture was sent to me coincidentally yesterday only I got it. This is not from the Samaj. So we are trying to rediscover the history. We don't have anything in our archive. We are depending on information from people who have preserved it from Samaj office. Hardly any information we have. What we have planned, that all the information that we will be getting, we will make it a collage, and during the main function, that is 26th, 27th and 28th November, we will put it in the main auditorium for everyone to have a look at it and find out the history and legacy of the medical college, their own medical college. Today is the day of the Department of Nephrology. As you know, over the last few decades, there has been real developments as regard the transplantation activities are concerned, where I am part of it. Today they are going to present the evolution of nephrology, past, present and future, which will be definitely very interesting to one and all. Even I will be eager to know about the past of nephrology. We are in the path of progress. We have been able to achieve, with the blessings of all the past faculties, we have been able to achieve also the cadaveric transplantation. And I would not forget to mention about Professor Siarkar, late Professor Siarkar, who left us last year on November 20th. In fact, I was known to him for more than 40 years. We had a togetherness. He joined us after a long stint at Bulla. And after he came, we together, along with Professor S.B. Raut, in fact, the transplant started in collaboration when Professor S.B. Raut was the HOD. We have really tried to achieve as best as we could. Unfortunately, very untimely, he left us while fighting the COVID. He was a true COVID warrior, and due to his involvement of giving service to the CKD patient with COVID, he established the dialysis unit in the COVID hospital, and in the process contracted the COVID, and God was not kind enough to all of us. He had to leave. We pay our homage to him. We remember him on this day of nephrology. And I am aware that many things will be remembered about him in due course of time. Thank you all for your presence here. I welcome you again, sir, and look forward to your continuous guidance to your own department, to your own institution. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir, for your enlightening speech.
Talking less with mouth and more with brain, you will be astonished. He does have a wide memory and intelligence. I assure any student will lose the battle if it's a question of reading books and journals. The nephrologist who truly loves nephrology, our own HOD and professor, Dr. S.B. Rao sir.
सम्माननीय मुख्य अतिथि प्रोफेसर रामचंद्र महाकुड़ और ऑनर ग्रेजुएट ब्रह्मपुरी टीचर, मुख्य अतिथि प्रोफेसर दत्तेश्वरता और डीन, my teacher who is sitting in the auditorium, Professor G.C. Das, he was my teacher during MD days in SCB, Professor Palisar, who was our guide and who helped us in forming my career in nephrology in Berhampur at Cuttack also. Mrs. Kaur, who has kept our request to come and join us. I am very thankful to her also. And dignitaries, more गरिष्ठ सहकर्मी माने, छात्र माने, कर्मचारी बृंद, हमारा सीएम स्पीकर बोधे आसी ना डॉक्टर डीएस राय, सी हमको शॉर्टली जॉइन करेंगे। आज सभा जो हो 75 बाय 75 यार परिकल्पना आमर उपदेष्टा श्रीजुक्त सुब्रत बागचीकर, प्रयोजना प्रोफेसर दत्तेश्वर डीन एवं निर्देशना आमर 75 बाय 75 कमिटी चेयरमैन एंड समस्त प्रोफेसर मान को निर्देशना आम कलाकार मैंने आज किसी डिपार्टमेंट कलाकार किसी कार्यक्रम देखाइबे हूँ तो आशा कर उपभोग करेंगे। मु एमकेसीजी सुवर्ण जयंती रौप्य जयंती देखी, VSS सुवर्ण जयंती देखी, कटक सुवर्ण जयंती देखी। एथर परिकल्पना और उपस्थापन मौजूद निरा हम दर्शक बंधु तक बेसी आम भल कहे यार सब क्रेडिट जीव प्रोफेसर दत्तेश्वरता को जी सिंगल हैंडेड लगे कि ये कल्पना को वास्तव रूप देते। तेणु आमर मेन प्रोग्राम नवेम्बर हम से आहरी सुंदर सुंदर थर बोली आशा करा जाउछि। आपण समस्ते अवगत थे निकट अतीत आम दुई जन बड़ सहकर्मी को हराइछु। दुखद अवस्था प्रोफेसर रवींद्रनाथ साहू जी आम कटक प्रोफेसर थे, जी डिपार्टमेंट को मूल स्तर नेफ्रोलॉजी सर्विस ओडिशा दबारे अद्वितीय थे, जो आमर नेफ्रोलॉजी विभाग जो अन्य कौटी डायलिस सुविधा नाला, इवन राति डायलिस दरकार पड़े साप कामुड़ा गरीब साप कामुड़ा पेसेंट गरीब मलेरिया पेसेंट को सर्विस दी नेफ्रोलॉजी विभाग सुख्यात आनी से असमय आमको छाड़ी चलीगले। अंत दुखद परिस्थिति तार 3 मास आगे आम जाइलु राउरकेला कन्फरेन्स करने से संपूर्ण सुस्थ थे। हठात कौन है से आम ठार अधीन चलीगले, आम समस्ते दुख अनुभव करुचु। द्वितीय मोर द्वितीय सहकर्मी थे प्रोफेसर चित्तरंजन कर, जाए तो बुर्लार साल से कम कर आसुली, बुर्लार से पढ़ाई BHU गले, पुणी आम देखा साक्षात कटक आसला सी जदि मोठ कनिष्ठ थे कार्य एकदम सर्वकुशल थे। DM स्टार्ट कर आरंभ कर CAPD प्रोग्राम टू ट्रांसप्लांट प्रोग्राम काढ़ावा ट्रांसप्लांट प्रोग्राम टू आरंभ कर शेष कोविड समय महामारी समय जिते आम कौन हॉस्पिटल कोविड पेशेंट डायलिस करने आगबर हो नी 7 दिन भर निजस्व चेष्टार लगी डायलिस यूनिट 4 मेडिसिन स्थापन कले, शह शह डायलिस पेसेंट मान सेवा दे जीवन दान कले। से अवसर सब कौन सर N95 मास्क बेसी समय पिंधि पारना लगे अणनिश्वास लगुच हूँ तो सी असेवांत कारण हो कि डेडिकेशन में जो कोविड वार्ड रही आईसीयू भितर जा कोविड डायलिस यूनिट स्थापन कले, तारी फल से आम अति अपरिणत बयस छाड़ी चलीगले। असल से हूँ शहीद कोविड शहीद आम तो सरकार तो स्वीकृति देती आम जहाँ भी आम दुखद विदाय हूँ तो सहजरे ग्रहण करना से जोड़ी था अमर आत्मा ये जो से वटवृक्ष छाड़ी जाती प्रोफेसर रबाबू गठबड़ी स्थापन करते चिता आसी विशालकाय कले तांकरी मार्गदर्शन रे आमर वर्तमान जो छात्र मान से सृष्टि कर भविष्य जो छात्र मैंने एठो पास कर जीवे तांकरी मार्गदर्शन यही बाट विशालित करेंगे प्रसार करेंगे एवं नेफ्रोलॉजी सेवा आहुरी ओडिशार गरीब लोक सेवा करि पारले तांके प्रति इटा कृतज्ञता बोले मैं भावुची आमर भविष्य पीढ़ी यहाँ को निश्चय पालन कर आशा रखी विदा नौ धन्यवाद।
Thank you so much, sir, for sharing your beautiful thoughts. Loaded with wisdom and experience, he has many feathers to his cap, a legendary in the field of nephrology, a distinguished nephrologist of the state as well the country. Dr. A.C. Mahakut, sir, we are privileged to have you on dais today. We request you to share your thoughts, sir. Sir, please.
Professor Dr. Sarota, Honorable Dean and Principal, SCB Medical College, Cuttack. Professor S.B. Raut, our HOD, Nephrology, Cuttack. I want to speak very less. Only I was initially in Barampur, where we started the hemodialysis unit. Then I was shifted to Cuttack Medical College in 1989 and retired here as professor head of the Department of Nephrology in 1996. Since the inception of the Department of Nephrology in Odisha, it is about 44 years. It was only a department, a haphazard department was created in 1977. Only a post of registrar in nephrology at Cuttack and another post of nephrology at registrar nephrology at Bhubaneswar. This is after we started hemodialysis under the auspices of Department of Medicine. So we're under the Department of Medicines and we're trying to start hemodialysis first, because initially what I saw, nephrology as a subject, as a specialty was not known. Very few people, even doctors were not aware that nephrology is a specialty and it will give much help to the native service to the public. So we had first our difficult task to convince the people, including doctors and authorities, that nephrology is a subject, it needs attention, it should be open. So we tried our best. With much difficulty, we could start hemodialysis. And one thing I want to tell, and this is a time to celebrate. When we celebrate something, we have to see what was what we were in the previous years, what is our present, we should introspect the present one, and what we should plan for the future. When we see the present development and look back 44 years back, there has been a sea change. Now the Department of Nephrology is a full-fledged one in SCV Medical College, Cuttack. This was our dream previously. We are trying to have full-fledged clinical nephrology that we got. Subsequently, we got dialysis. But for the dialysis was initially improvised setup. Kill dialyzer, we had to prepare the dialysis machine. It should be sterilized with formalin for 6 hours. Then only by ourselves we will wash the machine, start the dialysis. It is not simple as that. Now dialysis can be started within half an hour of notice. So it minimum 8 hours is required to start a dialysis. And that too, we ourselves, Professor Das will be knowing the details. So we're struggling like that. Unfortunately, if you see the clinical nephrology, we are going towards critical nephrology. The dialysis from improvised setup to the state-of-art dialysis with modern technique and monitors. Then we are having recently, so far as the treatment is concerned, kidney transplantation. It was a dream in Odisha, especially in the government setup. We tried our best. When I was in Cuttack, I was a little close to the ex-then Chief Minister, Professor Biju Patnaik, Mr. Biju Patnaik, to convince him to have a nephrology unit and a transplantation unit, because at that time the cardiothoracic unit just open cardiothoracic surgery was done. It is at his instance. So that is about the development of transplantation. It is a routine procedure now in SCV Medical College, Cuttack. That we could start transplantation in 2002 actually in Odisha. Dr. Palit was pioneer. They did one dialysis in 1985, but it didn't survive because of the lack of planning and subsequent encouragement. Then in November 2002, the transplantation unit was started in Kalinga Hospital, Bhubaneswar. So now it is started at the government setup, which is the benefit for the benefit of the entire public. Then fourth thing I want to tell, the question of education. Nephrology in the beginning stage, we were not given any classes to teach to undergraduate or postgraduate. Subsequently, we were assigned 10 to 12 lectures per year, and with occasional bedside teaching to the postgraduate or undergraduate. Now you see this change. Nephrology as such is having DM nephrology program with excellence in teaching, education, and research. So this we have reached today. Tomorrow, what we need actually, the things we want, that the future nephrology education the development of the full-fledged department with the ancillary development of immunology, histopathology. So that is to be developed. Number two, the development of critical care and nephrology, which is very, very important, both dialysis and critical care. Third thing, education we have, but education and training to the paramedics, medical nursing personnel to be trained, technician to be trained, the facility should be there. As you see, nowadays, everywhere there is a dialysis, but it is run without proper nursing staff or proper nursing technicians. So that is to be developed, ancillary development to be developed. Third thing is the question of research. That should be, it should be always every department in nephrology or everybody should be try to be do some research. So the motto should be publish or perish, unless we cannot improve. And the last thing I want to tell, you see, Odisha as such, in our country, we are not far behind so far as nephrology is concerned. This super specialty of nephrology has developed in the world in late 1960s, when our nephrology, DM nephrology started in 1969, and the first student came in 71. And specialty of nephrology, certificate board of nephrology in US, it came in 1972, first batch. With compared to that, our state, we have got plenty of nephrologists, we have got departments in all medical colleges, with all facilities. Dialysis has been spread to almost all district headquarters centers. So with this, I want to tell that nephrology should develop to the extent we should have a name in the country. And it should be, the service should be so that it should be very beneficial to the public. So there are certain things I want to tell for the future development. Critical care nephrology. Immunology, especially relevant to kidney transplantation and immunopathology. Interventional nephrology. This is a request to the younger generations. Just like interventional cardiology, some of you should take the specialty, subspecialty of interventional nephrology. It is just recently coming subspecialty within nephrology. And it has just become a society in US 4 to 5 years back. Then the question of preventive nephrology. And I told about the training of paramedics and nurses and technicians. With this, I wish the Platinum Jubilee celebration all success and wish the Department of Nephrology to prosper further. Thank you very much.
Your words were truly inspirational, sir, and took us back to the memory lane of nephrology.
Now we are going to felicitate the respected stalwarts of our department. You fought the battle for us. You skipped your dinner many a times and had enormous sleepless nights for the upliftment of the department.
I would request our Professor S.B. Rao, sir, to please felicitate our esteemed Dean and Principal and our Chief Guest of the evening. The rest of the felicitations will be done off the dais. Now we are going to felicitate Professor Dr. G.C. Das, sir. He is a stalwart in the field of nephrology. He is a very well-known figure in the state as well as in the country. Your contribution to the Department of Nephrology and field of nephrology will not be forgotten. Professor G.C. Das, sir. So next, we are going to felicitate Professor S.K. Palis, sir. He is a senior consultant now working at High Tech. Your contribution to the Department of Nephrology as well as in the field of nephrology is of immense help to all of you, sir. Next, we are going to felicitate Professor P.K. Sahu, sir. Probably he is not with us in the evening. Next, we are going to felicitate Madam Kaur, sir. We miss you, Professor Dr. Chittaranjan Kaur sir, for your efforts and endeavors to make our department beautiful. Next, we are going to felicitate Dr. D.S. Rai sir. He is a very well-known figure and is working as a chief consultant in R.N. Tagore Hospital. He is well known for his ABO incompatible and swab transplantation in the Eastern Zone. Now we have come to the end of the felicitation session, sir. With a deep heart, we are very sad to say that we have missed two leading nephrologists of our state who left for their heavenly abode. We miss you so very much for the times that we shared, which left the sweetest of memories, but hard to believe that the tomorrow starts without you. You never said you were leaving us, never said goodbye. Probably we could not hear you. You were gone before we realized, and only God knows why. Now I would request Dr. Rudrasis Samal, the Joint Director, State Organ and Tissue Transplant Organization, to pay a small tribute to the departed souls. Dr. Rudrasis, please.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. As we celebrate the Platinum Jubilee of SCV Medical College, Cuttack, it's also a time for remembrance. We remember those who are not with us today, but have left an indelible impression in society by their contribution to the field of medicine, especially nephrology. Today, we remember Professor R.N. Sahu, who passed away at Cuttack in May of 2020. Professor Sahu was former professor and head of Department of Nephrology at SCV Medical College. He was also the past president and governing body member of Indian Society of Nephrology. He also held the post of president of Indian Society of Nephrology East Zone. He successfully organized the National Conference of Indian Society of Nephrology, the ISNCon, in Bhubaneswar for the first time in the history of Odisha. He also arranged the Hemodialysis Conference in Bhubaneswar in the year 2012-13. Professor Sahu, after completing his MBBS and MD from MKCG Medical College, Berhampur, joined the DM Nephrology in PGIMR, Chandigarh, under the legendary Professor K.S. Chugh, commonly referred to as the father of nephrology in India. He completed his DM in the year 1982 and joined as faculty back in Odisha in 1983. His dedication to patient care was outstanding. He used to spend most of his time in the hospital wards. He has several papers to his name, both in national and international journals. His special interest was in acute kidney disease related to malaria. He was bestowed with various awards and accolades, among which the dearest to him was the Fellowship of Indian Society of Nephrology. He was also awarded the Rajiv Gandhi Savdharna Award by the Rajiv Gandhi Foundation for his dedication to community care in the field of nephrology. His legacy was marked by dedication, empathy, and sincerity to students, patients, and his never-ending desire to serve the poor with commitment. Last but not the least was his dazzling smile, which will be remembered forever. Today, we honor and remember Professor Siarkar, who passed away at a very young age of 58 in November of 2020. Professor Kar was a benevolent and a dedicated nephrologist who considered service over personal happiness. Such was his dedication to the cause of nephrology and transplantation that when the first deceased organ transplantation was done in the state of Odisha back in February of 2020, he was present throughout the night to process the retrieval of the kidneys. Then was a part of the transplantation team along with our Dean and Principal Professor Daktesar Hota early hours of the next morning in SC Medical College Hospital. Then he proceeded to do a full day OPD without going to sleep. This was his level of dedication. Such was his dedication. Professor Kar did his MBBS from SCV Medical College, Cuttack in 1986, his MD in General Medicine from VSS Burla in 1990, and subsequently his DM in Nephrology from BHU Varanasi in the year 1995. From 2011 to 2020, continued as Professor of Nephrology in SC Medical College Hospital, Cuttack, where he was instrumental in initiating the DM program of nephrology, the first in the state of Odisha. He was also the driving force behind the renal transplant program that we have here in SC Medical College Hospital. He also initiated and maintained a very healthy CAPD unit, in fact, the largest CAPD unit in the government institution in the East Zone of India. Professor Kar was a great organizer. He was a secretary of Indian Society of Nephrology East Zone from 2015 to 2018. He organized the East Zone Indian Society of Nephrology Conference in Puri in 2015. He was also the Vice President of Indian Society of Nephrology from the year 2016 to 17. He was the organizing secretary of the National Conference of Indian Society of Nephrology held in 2018 at Bhubaneswar. He had numerous national and international publications to his name. He had received the Fellowship of American College of Nephrology. He was also awarded the Fellowship of Indian Society of Nephrology, also awarded the Young Achiever and Distinguished Service Award for his community service to nephrology by IMA Delhi. Professor Kar was a frontline COVID warrior who personally attended and served the COVID patients on dialysis. In fact, he was the one who initiated and started the COVID unit in SC Medical College. His demise is an irreparable loss to Indian Nephrology Society and is still a greater loss to the people of Odisha. He was not just a teacher to my generation of nephrologists, he was also the mentor that we all looked up to. Professor Kar will be missed by all of us and his memory will linger forever. Now I request the august gathering here to please stand in their places and maintain 1 minute silence out of honor and respect to the dear departed souls. Please. Thank you.
Don't cry over past, it's gone. Don't stress about future, it hasn't arrived. Just live in the beautiful present and dream of a magnificent future. With these words, now we are going to showcase the glorious past, beautiful present, and dreamy future of our department. I request Dr. Rakesh to take you through this journey.
Thank you. I am privileged to take you through the journey of nephrology. Now coming to the past, we are proud to be SCBians, and the Department of Nephrology started in the year 1974. This started as a sub-unit of medicine department. It was a small department then. Then with difficulty, the first dialysis unit started in 1976. The second dialysis unit started on 16/9/2000. Then this is the dialysis unit which now we are having, which was inaugurated on 10th March 2016. This is a full-fledged dialysis unit. These two pictures are our success. The first one, we did the first successful life-related renal transplant in SCB in the year 2012. We were also lucky to have our first deceased donor renal transplant in February 2020. Our DM nephrology curriculum started in the year 2013 with 2 seats, which expanded to 4 seats now. Our department with the faculties and DM students. They are our former professors and HOD. And coming to our past DM students, they were our first batch, the second batch, third batch, fourth batch, fifth batch, and sixth batch. Let's see what Professor S.C. Mahakur sir has to say about our journey of nephrology.
S.C. Mahakur, retired professor and head of nephrology at SCB Medical College, Cuttack, since 1987 to 1996. Since then, I am working as chief consultant nephrology at Pune Hospital, Bhubaneswar, till date. The Department of Nephrology at SCB Medical College, Cuttack has progressed to the present state of full-fledged department with a big dialysis center with modern technique, clinical nephrology, kidney transplantations, the advent of super specialty education, DM nephrology, has added to the excellence of the department. However, we need help from the immunology, pathology, and histopathology, which will be for further eminence of the department. Training of paramedics like nursing personnel and laboratory technician, dialysis technicians will be of great help to the state of Odisha. I wish all success for the Platinum Jubilee celebration of SCB Medical College, Cuttack, and the Department of Nephrology.
Let's listen to Professor Dr. G.C. Das, sir.
Good evening to everybody. This is our great pleasure that we are joining together in Silver Jubilee, Platinum Jubilee of SC Medical College, Cuttack, Odisha. And we have got the opportunity from the Department of Nephrology to share our experience in the Department of Petrol, how we started this incident. I always remember the day, that is almost 74 May, when I qualified from PGI Chandigarh as the first nephrologist from India. And being the senior most nephrologist, I was given the opportunity to come to Odisha from SC Media College, where I was being deputed to SC from PGI to PGI Chandigarh to do our DM course and to start the DM course again back to Odisha. And in the year 75, 76, we started the program of dialysis. And to start, this is our great privilege to give a peritoneal dialysis to a patient who was actually the headmaster of Pujang High School, and he was suffering from a snake bite and was almost about to die. And as he suffered from AKI, acute kidney injury, and at that time, I got that opportunity to start the peritoneal dialysis at the SC Media College in the year 1974, October last part. Then the patient completely recovered. Thereafter, again, by God's grace, there was a good conjunction and cooperation by the citizens, public, and our government people, and from MLA, MPs, etc., from ministerial level, to start the program of hemodialysis. And this nephrology platinum jubilee to SC Medical College, and we should join hands to give more courage and the aspiration and full of service and dignity to serve our humankind in our state and also our work in the country. That's at last. Thank you very much, sir.
Let me introduce myself. I am Dr. Sapan Kumar Palit, one of the senior most nephrologists of the state. I feel myself proud and very much fortunate to be here in the Platinum Jubilee celebration of SC Medical College, Cuttack. I did my MBBS course in this medical college from 1964 to 1969, securing honors in anatomy. Then I went for government job, and after 1 year, I came back here again to do my MD medicine course and completed the MD medicine course in 1975 under the guidance of Professor B.B. Tripathi and Professor Rajkishore Parda. In 1976, while I was working in the anti-TB demonstration center attached to SC Medical College, I got an order to proceed to CMC Hospital, Vellore, immediately to get training in hemodialysis. I went there with 2 staff nurses and 1 technician. At that time, there was no nephrology unit in Odisha, although Professor G.C. Das and Professor A.C. Mahakur had completed their BM nephrology course from PGI Chandigarh and were posted in SC Medical College and MKCG Medical College respectively. After completion of training in CMC Hospital, Vellore, I returned again to SC Medical College and was posted in the medicine department. Then along with Professor G.C. Das, we started the dialysis unit in the medicine department, posted to VSS Medical College Hospital, Burla, where I built a modern dialysis unit with 4 dialysis machines with reverse osmosis system. I did the first kidney transplant in VSS Medical College in 1985 with the help of Professor L.K. Sahu and Professor Dingal Meher. And the SC Medical College dialysis unit has progressed fast under the able guidance of Professor S.B. Raut and late Professor Siarkar. DM course was started from 2012 and regular transplant was done in this medical college with the help of Professor Datteswar Hota, Professor HOD, Neurosurgery, and now the principal of this medical college. This unit has now more than 25 dialysis machines and is self-sufficient in all ways. And this unit can now be compared with any of the unit of India. I wish a great success and a great future for this nephrology unit of SCV Medical College. Thank you.
Coming to the present, this is our Department of Nephrology at present, our faculties, DM students. This is our inpatient ward, the transplant ward, and this is the new different nephrology dialysis unit. The staffs which who help us a lot. We are lucky to have a seropositive dialysis unit, rendering OPDs on Tuesdays and Thursdays, and renal transplant OPDs on Mondays. Also extending our OPD support to pediatric nephrology on Saturday and Wednesday, Capital Hospital. We have extended our dialysis unit to CICU, Central ICU, and Medicine ICU. This is our COVID nephrology ward and COVID dialysis unit. The credit must go to our late Professor Dr. C.R. Kaur, who sacrificed his life while preparing this unit. We are very much thankful to you, sir. The present services which we are doing every day, and this is our success in the present. We have done the successful fast permacath insertion in our department, the first percutaneous CAPD catheter insertion in our department.
Glad to be a CBN, proud to be a nephrologist. I had done MD medicine in this institution 2005 to 2008 and worked as assistant professor in the Department of Medicine. I had done DM nephrology 2015 to 2018 under guidance of Professor Dr. S.B. Raut sir, Professor Dr. C.R. Kara sir, Professor Dr. P.K. Sahu sir. Now I am working as assistant professor nephrology, SC Medical College, Cuttack. We are pursuing DM study and nephrology under guidance of Professor Dr. S.B. Raut sir, HOD nephrology. We are pursuing renal transplant under the strong leadership of Professor Dr. Datteswar Hota sir, HOD urology and Dean and Principal SC Medical College, Cuttack. We are doing COVID dialysis today only for sacrifice of late Professor Chitaranjan Kara sir. Thank you.
Coming to the future, we have dreamt of a Institute of Nephrology Urology in the forthcoming AIMS Plus complex, a 100-bedded dialysis unit, and as Professor S.C. Mahakur sir has correctly told, we are also aiming for interventional nephrology, ABO incompatible renal transplant, hemodiafiltration, which now we are not doing, and definitely CRRT, and the development of a nephropathology department, wearable artificial kidney, implantable artificial kidney,
Good evening. I'm Professor Charita Chakraborty, ex-DM student of Department of Nephrology, batch of 2017-2020, SCV Medical College, Cuttack. I'm at present working as consultant nephrologist at Care Hospitals, Bhubaneswar. I have been very lucky to have been trained under the guidance of Professor Dr. S.B. Rao sir, HOD Department of Nephrology, ex-Professor Dr. C.R. Kaur sir, Professor Dr. P.K. Shahu sir. Everything that you need to know regarding nephrology, or for that matter, any other subject, you can always find in literature. But the clinical pearls and the golden advices that will set us apart will only come from our professors. So I'm sure I speak for my entire batch, for all of us, when I say that no words can ever justify or express the gratitude that we feel for having been a part of this department, of this institution. We get an exposure of almost all aspects of nephrology, the friendly support and friendly advices of our assistant professors, our seniors, our colleagues, and the exceptional warmth and affection of our entire nursing staff and each and every staff member of the Department of Nephrology makes this journey commendable. I hope that our department grows even further, and I wish all the success to all the future batches of brilliant nephrologists that this institution will produce. Thank you, forever grateful.
Thank you. Now we are coming to our next segment, the entertaining one, our evening with nephrology. Opening touch. Those little fingers on the keyboard is on a note about eternal truth. God in English, Bhagwan in Hindi. ये तो सच है कि भगवान है. Please welcome the little Casio player, Master Arush Mahanti. He is son of Dr. Biswaranjan Mahanti, who is the HOD of Department of Nephrology, Sam Hospital. ବାର ଚୋରା ଚାହାଣୀରେ ସେଇ ସଙ୍ଗୀତ ଥାଏ ଦୂର ପାହାଡ଼ର ନିଦୁଆ ସ୍ୱପ୍ନରେ ସମ୍ବଲପୁରୀର ମନଛୁଆଁ ଛାନ୍ଦରେ ଆଉ ଝଙ୍କାରର ତାଳେ ତାଳେ ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ନଚାଇବାକୁ ଆମେ ଚେଷ୍ଟା କରିବୁ ଆମର ଭେଟି ସମ୍ବଲପୁରୀ ନୃତ୍ୟ ରସେର କେଳି ପରିବେଷଣ କରୁଛନ୍ତି ନାଇନିତା ଡଟର ଅଫ୍ ଡକ୍ଟର ଆଲୋକ। ସମ୍ବଲପୁରୀ ନୃତ୍ୟରେ ହଜି ଯାଇଥିଲେ। ମୁଁ ଉଠାଇ ଶବ୍ଦ ଦେଲି, ତୁମେ ଗୀତଟିଏ ଲେଖିଲ। ମୁଁ ଗୀତର ସ୍ୱରଟିଏ ଦେଲି, ତୁମେ ମତେ ଗାଇ ଶୁଣାଇଲ। ମୁଁ କିଛି ବୁଝିବା ପୂର୍ବରୁ, କିଛି କହିବା ପୂର୍ବରୁ ତୁମେ ପକ୍ଷୀଟିଏ ହୋଇ ଉଡ଼ିଗଲ। ପଚାରିଲେ କହୁଛ ମୁଁ ପରଦେଶୀ ଚଢ଼େଇ। ଚାଲନ୍ତୁ ଶୁଣିବା ଡକ୍ଟର ଚିନ୍ମୟଙ୍କ ସ୍ୱରରେ ମୁଁ ପରଦେଶୀ ଚଢ଼େଇ।
परदेसी चढ़े গাইবার স্বপ্ন নেই গাই যায় কাহা পাই জানে না জানে না জানে না জানে না জানে না জানে না জানে না
ସତରେ ସେ ତ ଦୁଇ ଯାଇ ହେନା. Now I am to introduce our most beautiful team of fashion show, a very glamorous one. Please welcome on stage our team of fashion show. mesmerizing. Now, if I and you were we, that's true. The theme speaks of its own. Let's welcome Master Arohan, the son of Dr. Rakesh, to sing a song.
दर्द दिलों के कम हो जाते मैं और तुम गर हम हो जाते मैं और तुम गर हम हो जाते कितने हंसी आलम हो जाते मैं और तुम गर हम हो जाते मैं और तुम गर हम हो जाते दर्द दिलों के कम हो जाते मैं और तुम गर हम हो जाते मैं और तुम गर हम हो जाते कितने हंसी आलम हो जाते मैं और तुम गर हम हो जाते मैं और तुम गर हम हो जाते तेरे बिना ना आए सुकून ना आए करार मुझे दूर वो सारे भरम हो जाते मैं और तुम गर हम हो जाते मैं और तुम गर हम हो जाते इश्क अधूरा दुनिया अधूरी ख्वाहिश मेरी कर दो न पूरी दिल तो यही चाहे तेरा और मेरा हो जाए मुकम्मल ये अफसाना हर मुश्किल आसा हो जाती मैं और तुम गर हम हो जाते कितने हंसी आलम हो जाते मैं और तुम गर हम हो जाते मैं और तुम गर हम हो जाते
That was beautiful, Master Aaron. Now you will witness another sensational performance by our DM residents. Please welcome them on the stage.
बच्चा से खान मुझको दिल में रुक साथ मान
Now I would request Master Arohan to please have a mimicry for us.
तो कुछ एक्टर्स की मिमिक्री करने वाला हूँ। सबसे पहले हम करेंगे इरफान खान की। समझ लो यार, अच्छे से समझ लो, मैं बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग बात बताने जा रही हूँ, समझ लो, अच्छे से समझ लो भैया, आप भी समझ लो, आप भी समझ लो भैया। ये जो लड़कियां होती हैं घसघरी, लखनऊ की लड़कियां बहुत चालू होती हैं, समझ लो भैया, अच्छे से पलट के देखा नहीं, पीछे की मार के ऑटो पकड़ के बग्गी, समझ लो भैया, आप समझ लो भैया, आप समझ लो। आगे हम करेंगे नाना पाटेकर। अच्छा है, बहुत अच्छा है, तेरा बाप मर गया, अच्छा है, सबके बाप को मरना होता है, तेरे बाप को भी मरना था, अच्छा है, मर गया, बिन खाए बिन पिए धरती पर बोझ था, अच्छा है, मर गया, अरे रो मत, अच्छा है, मर गया, अच्छा है, अच्छा है। आगे हम शाहरुख खान की करेंगे। आप भी कमाल करते हो यार, मतलब मैंने इतने प्रैक्टिस करके एग्जाम दिया था और आपने मुझे फेल कर दिया। अब तो मैं अपने चेन्नई एक्सप्रेस से खो जाऊंगा और कोई मुझे रोकेगा नहीं, डोंट माइंड इट। आगे हम करेंगे सैफ अली खान। वेल यार, जब तुम्हें पता था कि मुझे रेड चिली सॉस से एलर्जी है, फिर भी तुमने मेरे पास्ते में रेड चिली सॉस क्यों गिराया यार? वेल आई मीन हाउ। ऋतिक रोशन। याला माँ, मैंने बहुत प्रैक्टिस की थी माँ, मैं हर रोज 2 ग्लास बॉर्नविटा पीता था माँ, फिर भी इन्होंने मुझे फेल कर दिया माँ, मुझे कुछ दिखाई नहीं दे रहा माँ। सुनो छोटी, ये धरती मेरी माँ है और इस माँ को मैं छोड़ दूँ ऐसा हो नहीं सकता, और धरती को मैं छोड़ दूँ ऐसा मैं होने नहीं दूंगा। तनी देओल। ओए ये टाइगरों का हाथ है, ओए जब किस पे पड़ता है ना तो वो उड़ जाता है। ओए सिद्धू। ओ भाई, पत्थर मार के तूने मेरा सर सुझा दिया। ओ भाई, मच्छर ने काट के मैंने खुजा दिया। ओ ठोको ताली, ओ ठोको। बाबूराव। अरे बाबा, अरे ये फोन दिन रात बजता रहता है, बाबा। अरे कुत्रिया, अरे कभी तो चुप रहा कर रे बाबा। थैंक यू।
Now welcome our dance group.
वजह से खान मुझको दिल में रुक साथ म्यान बार जानो, वजह से खान मुझको दिल में रुक साथ म्यान बार जानो, वजह से खान मुझको।
पकड़ के तूने चलना सिखाया था ना, दहलीज ऊंची है ये पार करा दे। बाबा मैं तेरी मलका, टुकड़ा हूँ तेरे दिल का, एक बार फिर से दहलीज पार करा दे। मुड़ के ना देखो दिलबरो, मुड़ के ना देखो दिलबरो, मुड़ के ना देखो दिलबरो, मुड़ के ना देखो दिलबरो।
जब जब चूड़ी खनके रे, जब जब पायल
Nanike makehite tuwe nurahe gumyavi Evi levi Neriye numbe nake magenenne hame hayavi Tivevi Ma talagam devatena Guru premaka patalena Kuanari manahari sukumali nangatama Talagam devatena Guru premaka patalena Kuanari manahari sukumali nangatama
तेरी आज्ञा का यो काजल मन करे से गोरी घायल तेरी आज्ञा का यो काजल मन करे से गोरी घायल तू सहज सहज पाँव धर ले मेरा दिल धड़कावे पायल ओ मन पल 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 याद करी तड़पावे से है तेरा रूप जिगर में रड़के आग लगावे से ओ मन पल 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 याद करी तड़पावे से है तेरा रूप जिगर में रड़के आग लगावे से तेरी आज्ञा का यो काजल
यारा तेरे सदके इश्क सिखा मैं तो आई जग तज के इश्क सिखा मैं तो यारा तेरे सदके इश्क सिखा मैं तो आई जग तज के इश्क सिखा जब यार करे परवाह मेरी मुझे क्या परवाह इस दुनिया की जग मुझ पे लगाए पाबंदी मैं हूँ ही नहीं इस दुनिया की
चढ़े तुम्ही दिन ढले तुम्ही हो बंधु सखा तुम्ही दिन चढ़े तुम्ही दिन ढले तुम्ही हो बंधु सखा तुम्ही every time every minute of the day तुम्ही हो बंधु सखा तुम्ही दिन चढ़े तुम्ही दिन ढले तुम्ही हो बंधु सखा तुम्ही
थैंक यू दैट मेड अस डांस बहुत हेई गला राउंड बहुत हेई गला ग्रांड राउंड थक्का मन पचारुथिला आमे कोन नाची परिबेनी आमे कोन पुराना दिन को थरटी हेले फेरी पाइबा नहीं कल्पनार अतीत को पाछोटी आनिचंती आमर फैकल्टी और डीएम स्टूडेंट्स
भाषा लिखता हूँ तुझे रोज जरा सा तू मेरी है प्रेम की भाषा लिखता हूँ तुझे रोज जरा सा कोरे कोरे कागज जिन पे बेकस कोरे कोरे कागज जिन पे बेकस लिखता हूँ ये खुलासा, तुमसे मिले दिल में उठा दर्द करारा, जीने लगा वो ही जिसे इश्क ने मारा। तुमसे मिले दिल में उठा दर्द करारा, जीने लगा वो ही जिसे इश्क ने मारा। ऐसे लहरा के तू रूबरू आ गई, ऐसे लहरा के तू रूबरू आ गई, धड़कने बेतहाशा तड़पने लगी, धड़कने बेतहाशा तड़पने लगी। तीर ऐसा लगा दर्द ऐसा जगा, तीर ऐसा लगा दर्द ऐसा जगा, चोट दिल पे वो खाई मजा आ गया। मेरे लश्के कमर, मेरे लश्के कमर, तूने पहली नजर, जब नजर से मिलाई मजा आ गया। जोश ही जोश में मेरी आगोश में आके तू जो समाई मजा आ गया।
किसी शायर का दिल बनके बरसती है बूंदे तुम पे, किसी शायर का दिल बनके बरसती है बूंदे तुम पे। नजारा उफ क्या होता है, गुजरती है जब जुल्फों से दूर कहीं अब जाओ ना तुम। सुन 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 बरसात की धुन सुन, सुन 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 बरसात की धुन सुन। दिल में यही एक गम रहता है, साथ मेरे तू कम रहता है। हाँ दिल में यही एक गम रहता है, साथ मेरे तू कम रहता है। छोड़ के कभी जाओ ना तुम, सुन 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 बरसात की धुन सुन।
Thank you. Marvelous presentation.
Saying goodbye was never a plan of this evening, but as a customary, we have to. It was great to have you all in this evening. We say goodbye in hope of a new hello from you.
हम रहे या ना रहे कल, कल याद आएंगे ये पल, पल ये है प्यार के पल। चल आ मेरे संग चल, चल सोचे क्या चलते चलते मेरे ये गीत याद रखना, कभी अलविदा ना कहना, कभी अलविदा ना कहना। चलते चलते मेरे ये गीत याद रखना, कभी अलविदा ना कहना, कभी अलविदा ना कहना। रोते हंसते बस यूं ही तुम गुनगुनाते रहना, कभी अलविदा ना कहना, कभी अलविदा ना कहना। हम
Now I would request Dr. Aruna Acharya to please give the vote of thanks.
Good evening, everybody. As we know, mind needs reward for each action. So I give my hearty gratitude to everyone present here today evening. First of all, I will give thank our beloved dynamic Dean and Principal, Professor Dr. Datteswar Hota sir, for his great effort to lead such a big academic and cultural event. Once again, I thank you, sir, for your innovative and extraordinary vision to bring out doctors as entertainers also. For you only, sir, we could enjoy the Hollywood, the Bollywood, and the Hollywood in SCV campus. Then I would like to give my gratitude to our chief guest, Professor A.C. Mahakur sir, for his gracious presence to bless us today evening. Sir, your blessings is our asset. It is my pleasure and golden opportunity to thank our CME speaker, Dr. D.S. Rai sir. Sir, you are jewel of SCV and part of SCV nephrology. Once again, thank you, sir, for your gracious presence to make this evening beautiful and distinguished. I would like to thank all the senior nephrologists and their family members to join us in spite of their busy schedule. I would like to thank Madam Kara for her gracious presence to encourage us today evening. Thank you, Madam. I thank all the HODs, faculties of SCV, their family members for their auspicious presence to encourage us. I thank all the audience present today evening to enjoy our cultural event and academic event. I give thanks to PhD, GED, and audiovisual personnel, special to Sachi Babu. I thank our HOD, Professor S.B. Raut sir, for his constant supervision and encouragement for this evening. Last but not the least, I would like to thank and give my bow down gratitude to Almighty for being with us today evening and every day. Thank you all.